Growing up, I lived in a town population of about 38 to 45 people. It kind of depends on the year. But what I saw from living in that area is that a lot of people either don't trust their physicians or don't have the time in the day to, drive an hour to an hour and a half to see the nearest physician. And so seeing that there was a big need for it really made me want to help fulfill that role and give back to the community that helped raise me. Hi, my name is Mason Curtis, and I'm a fourth-year biology student, and I'm from Mayhill, New Mexico. I didn't actually start off as a biology major. I started off as a pre-nursing student, but that's when I really found that I enjoyed kind of diving into the sciences. And our biology department has a really cool flip model up here where we learn ahead of time before attending class, and then we do active learning assignments in class so that we take new scenarios that we've never seen before, but we still apply the concepts we're learning. We have great resources here, whether that's the faculty, we have great student support services, and honestly the campus is not too big where it feels overwhelming, especially if you come from one of those small rural towns, and it's still kind of got that small close-knit community feel to it that makes it, at least for me, so appealing to stay here and study. So I was able to apply to the Mayo Clinic SURF program, specifically in neuroscience, and the research that I was doing focused kind of on these two receptors in the brain and how they could potentially modulate alcohol consumption. I got to not only see PhDs who were doing research, and I got to help with that research, but we also had group meetings where physician colleagues would come in and they would be asking questions, whether that was, how can I take the research you're doing and implement that with my patients? Or they might say, I'm seeing this with my patients, can you help me figure out what may be going on? So definitely seeing the interplay between, science and medicine was huge for me. I work here at the medical school in the lab of Dr. Keith Henry. It's been a great experience. Dr. Henry's kind of helped me grow as, I'd say, a young researcher. He's given me the ability to work on my own independent project. While it's guided by him, a lot of it he wants me to be kind of the leader on, or to own my own research, as he likes to say. I found when I took my basic intro biology courses and anatomy and physiology classes, I kind of saw that I liked the connection between the basic sciences as well as how those can be translated into healthcare. And that was kind of my big aha moment when I realized that this is something that I want to continue doing.